Cycling shoes are one of the most important pieces of cycling equipment that you can get for yourself if you're really serious about cycling. It's where you'll transfer all the power from your legs to the pedals of your bicycle in order to move. Therefore, you need to select your cycling shoes carefully. But when it comes to choosing the right pair of cycling shoes, there are plenty of options, and choosing the right one for you can be tricky. That's why we've come up with a video about the 5 best road cycling shoes based on their comfort, breathability, and many other features so that you can choose one for yourself. So let's jump into the video.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
Setting the standard for high-performance cycling footwear and providing improved cycling performance with outstanding structural support, the Giro Imperial features a minimalist and lightweight design proven in professional level racing and training. It features a one-piece sink-wear upper construction that is made from an advanced monofilament mesh, therefore you will get supple yet supportive feet and amazing breathability. Besides, its thermal welded structure will help you to get the most out of your every pedal stroke. Its Easton EC90 SLX2 high modulus carbon fiber stainless steel hardware is engineered to provide the ultimate stiffness to weight ratio. Plus, its supernatural fit kit footbed with adjustable arch build enhances your comfort and pedaling performance. It is equipped with dual BOA IP1 dials for improved adjustability and offers 1mm plus minus micro adjustment and instant release with soft lace guides. Therefore, you will always get a precise feed and quickly on or off your shoe whenever you need it. And finally, it has replaceable heel pads and features a 3-bolt clip compatible with no cycle pedals. The Giro Imperial is a fully featured road cycling shoe with a minimalist design. It delivers a comfortable fit, fantastic performance, and will make you ready for the most demanding rides. Well known for stiffness and lightness, the Fizik Vento Powerstrap R1 Movistar is a versatile, high-performance, limited edition road cycling shoe that features an innovative design for an enveloping fit every time. The exterior of this limited edition model is made from laser-cut perforated microtex, complementing the spatial mesh insole with Fizik mesh footbed and infinity footbed, creating high airflow ventilation without sacrificing its support. For the adjustable and versatile fitting, this shoe comes with an innovative Velcro closer which is designed for a close and comfortable fit. Besides, it includes a ribbon that wraps around and contains your feet so that your shoe sticks with your toes while pedaling faster. In addition, its full UD carbon outsole features ventilation ducts for cooling as you continue your ride. At the same time, its replaceable heel skid plate assures a secure fit with the cycle pedals without any trouble. When you're looking for a pair of limited edition cycling shoes that is well known for its innovative Velcro closer system, lightweight design, full UD carbon outsole, ventilation, etc., then the Fizik Vento Powerstrap R1 Movistar is something worth considering. With clean aesthetics, heightened comfort, and increased stiffness, the specialized S-Works 7 road cycling shoes offer outstanding performance with superb comfort, fit, foot retention, and power transfer. Part of its excellent fit is due to the dynamo materials used in the upper. This material is in fact a lightweight, strong, and non-stretch fabric that contributes to excellent foothold and eliminates unwanted stretch when you ride. This cycling shoe comes with updated CNC machined alloy BOA dials, which results in improved fit, performance, and aesthetics. They provide micro adjustment for increasing and decreasing tension, which you can do easily on the move. On top of everything, its non-slip replaceable heel tread with internally recessed screws and padlock heel construction cradles the heel for increased performance and comfort. And its boasting increases stiffness and strength without any additional weight. If you really want to experience premium performance on your intense ride, then the specialized S-Works 7 can be your perfect ride companion. Featuring a super stiff and durable sole, the Shimano RX8 is the most high-performance and ultralight cycling shoe on our list with a special build for gravel racing. Its upper is built with ultralight synthetic leather mesh that provides the perfect balance of holding power and confirms all their riding comfort. At the same time, its dual micro adjustment function with BOA IP1 closure ensures a comfortable fit. This cycling shoe has a high density cup insole with adaptable arch pads, and its carbon fiber composite outsole makes sure your shoes can tackle heavy punches while riding. Moreover, its SPD cleat is always ready to pair with the cycle pedal so that you can easily and quickly hoop up on your bike. The Shimano RX8 is specially designed for the demands of gravel racing, and its ultralight mesh construction makes sure that your toes stay comfortable and fresh while riding. Dial up your comfort on the road with the Giro Savix, a breathable mid-range shoe that is equipped with a sophisticated dial closure system and allows you to fine-tune for a perfect fit and quality. Its upper is constructed with breathable microfiber, and its die-cut insole confirms that your feet stay fresh and comfortable. With a single BOA L6 dial and a set and forget front strap, you can easily get in or off your shoes on the road effortlessly. Its universal nylon outsole allows you to mount either mountain bike or road cleats depending on your preference. The Giro Savix perfectly blends quality and breathability and keeps your toes comfortable at the same time when you're rushing on an intense ride. So that was all about the 5 best road cycling shoes just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.